Good morning. This is Sunday morning, and it's been another great week for birds. So last week we put out that pepper seed in the front yard, and sorry, I'm creeping up on this house finch. Let's get right. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, yeah, we put the bird seed up in the front yard, and I did not see a single bird at it this entire week. And upon inspection, it didn't seem like a lot of stuff got at it, but I did see these big indentions into it, so something has at least given it a try. And I'm going to choose to believe that it was some woodpeckers, just because that would make me happy, but I have no idea, and that's fine. I'm not going to stress out over it. Neighbor's dogs are up. We'll power through. Yeah, so you'll see everything I saw in the bird videos, which we'll get to. I'm sorry. Well, I'm calling them weekly backyard birds. Yes, you see that when I show those pictures. I'm going to go ahead and add one more thing to my array here. I've been hesitant to put up suet because I don't want the starlings to come back. But what we're going to go ahead and try is I've got these suet balls. And it's basically the same thing. And we'll just see how it goes on a basis, a small basis. So I'm going to put that up. Oh no, do I need to two-hand this? Alright. Okay, well, I kind of have to just have it sit there. And let us get some free ones. We'll see how this goes. The biggest thing is that if something else gets into this, it won't make too much of a mess. And yeah, it's a lovely day. It's gonna be nice and cool today, in theory. I don't know. They say it's supposed to stay in the 70s, but I see that sun. And if that sun is out, it's gonna be hot. So we'll see. So yeah, I'm going to go to my usual spot. Although I don't have my camera out at the moment. And while my dogs enjoy their morning, I'm going to sit down and see what I can see. There's a house finch already back with that feeder. And yeah, I got a good view of that one. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great week. Hope you have a great day. And yeah, let's go ahead and see those birds. I'll see you guys later.